Welcome once again, and let's talk about feed every gorilla token fake. Fake is one of the best small cap crypto coins for me because when I take a look at their project initially, when I discovered what plans they have, I loved it and I fell in love with their plans. And also, this coin have already been listed. In fact, that's already been listed on Gate.io, which is one of the top crypto exchange. I think they've got about 7 exchanges have listed this coin, and right now the price is still trading with about 9 zeros. So there's so many people like to see coins with zeros. Everyone believe if I just buy $10, $5, $1, $50, I'll be having billions or millions of these coins. Now imagine these coins hitting 1 cent, $1. You're already a millionaire. So the Gorilla token is one of the coins that is very much attractive. I love this coin for the fact they have worked hard, they have gotten some top exchanges, listed them, and I believe very soon we'll be seeing more top crypto exchanges who will be coming to partner with Fake token. Now, before the end of 2025, Fake can delete between 2 to 5 zeros. Now, expect a massive increase in price, expect a massive pump, expect more burning once these exchanges start listing Fake token. Now, Fake token developers in fact, this year they actually said they are working, and their major target is to get this coin to be listed by other top exchange. And I'm hoping that Fake token will get at least 5 or 10 crypto exchange listing this coin before the end of 2023. Now, my target with Fake is to leave this coin till the end of 2025 to 2030. It depends on crypto industry. It depends because this crypto industry, most times you just need to always monitor your coins because of exchanges these days, them crashing. So it depends. But if you want to stay safe, it's better for you when you have a particular coin, you invest in a particular coin, and that coin rises and give you some certain amount, you have to withdraw some of the amount you have earned, then leave the remaining one for a longer period of time, so you don't end up keep putting in money on cryptocurrency. You'll be making profits gradually. And I believe that strategy have been paying me for some time now, because most of my friends, like, when they buy some coins, they will leave it, forget about it. I don't just forget about the coin, except I decide to invest a little amount of what I can afford to lose. If I'm investing huge amounts, I have to monitor, I have to withdraw, then leave some certain little amount I can afford to lose. But for Fake token, I believe let's keep hoping that all the best this year, next year, before the end of 2025, Fake token holders will be smiling to the bank. Once again, please remember this is not the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.